In this video, I will show you how to open a Fidelity IRA. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Whether you're saving for retirement for the first time or looking to move your retirement savings to a new provider, Fidelity makes it easy to open an individual retirement account online. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step. To get started, visit Fidelity's website and navigate to the Retirement Accounts section. Here, you'll find information about the different types of IRAs that Fidelity offers, including Traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Take a moment to review the options and choose the account that best fits your financial goals and retirement strategy. Once you've selected the IRA you want to open, click the Open an Account button to begin the application process. You'll be asked how you would like to manage your investments. Fidelity typically provides the option to manage your own investments, giving you full control over what you buy and sell, or you can choose a professionally managed solution where Fidelity helps select and manage investments on your behalf. Review the available options and choose the approach that best matches your investing experience, goals, and preferences. Fidelity will then ask whether you already have an existing account with them. If you do, simply sign in using your username and password. This can make the process faster since some of your personal information may already be on file. If you're new to Fidelity, select the option to create a new account. You'll be asked to provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, email address, phone number, and home address. Fidelity uses this information to verify your identity and establish your account. After entering your personal details, you may be asked additional questions regarding your employment status, financial background, and account preferences. Complete all required fields and carefully review the information before moving forward. Once you've finished the application, review the account details and submit your request. If everything is approved, your new Fidelity IRA will be opened and ready to use. After the account is created, you'll have the option to fund it by transferring money from a bank account, rolling over funds from another retirement account, or transferring an existing IRA from another financial institution. Once money is added to the account, you'll be able to choose investments such as mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, or individual stocks based on your investment goals. And that's how to open a Fidelity IRA. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.